Learning Java might seem like a big task, and you probably have questions like, what exactly is Java? Why should I learn it? Or maybe you have asked, how could learning Java change my life? Asking these questions mean you are on the right path. Curiosity is the key to learning anything new. Today, we are going to explore all these questions, and by the end of this video, you'll have written your very first Java program. So let's tackle it together, one step at a time. Java is a powerful and versatile programming language that has been around since 1995. Java is popular for a reason. It's designed to be simple, reliable, and portable, meaning your programs can run anywhere. Java is not just a language, it's a platform. And still, it's one of the most in-demand skills in the tech world, and it's used by top companies. Learning it opens doors to endless career opportunities. And there's a strong foundation in programming. It teaches you how to think logically, solve problems efficiently, work with powerful tools and frameworks, and create systems that can impact millions of users. These are skills that don't just make you a better programmer, they can set you apart in any tech field. So, whether you are looking to kickstart a career, level up your skills, simply turn ideas into reality, or diving into cutting edge fields like AI and cloud computing, Java is a game changer. To write and run Java programs, we will need two things, the JDK and the IDE. The JDK or Java Development Kit is like a toolbox. It helps your computer understand Java code. The IDE or Integrated Development Environment, think of it as your personal workspace where you will write and organize your code. Alright, let's get you set up. So I'm using macOS, but don't worry if you are on Windows or Linux. The steps are pretty similar. Also, I have included the detailed instructions for all platforms, Windows, Linux, macOS in the video description. In my browser, I will search for JDK. The latest version as of this recording is JDK 23. For Mac users like me, you would want to choose macOS and ARM64 version if you are using Apple Silicon. And if you are on Windows, make sure to download the Windows version or Linux version if you are using Linux. And it's downloaded. Now it's a straightforward process. Just click continue or next through the installer. Here I will provide the administrator username and password, and the JDK is installed. Next up, we will install IntelliJ, my IDE of choice today. It's beginner friendly and widely used by Java developers. Ensuring you select the right version for your system and hit download. Okay, it's done. I'll open the installer and drag and mount to the applications. Time to open IntelliJ, command search, accept the user agreement and continue. Again, the detailed instructions for all platforms, Windows, Linux, Mac OS are in the video description. And that's it. We are all set to start coding. I will try to map it to the real world. So imagine you are setting up a printing press that prints personalized birthday messages. First, we would need a location to set up the press and of course some equipments, then an editor who starts the printing process. Let's turn that idea into code. So I have my IntelliJ open already. I will click and create a new project. I will name our project BytecodeCrux Holdings, and I will change the location, ensuring the JDK is the one that I just installed, and hit create. Okay, here we got our workspace. On the left side is the project window that shows the structure of the project, and on the right we have the editor that helps to read and write source code. Now it's time to set the press. For that, I will create a new Java file inside the source folder. I'll right click on source folder, new Java class, and let's name it Crux Press. Hit enter. Before we dive any further, let's take a look at what we already have here. Our Java file named Crux Press ends with .java extension, similar to how images end with PNG or JPG. Inside this file, we got a class, which is like the printing press itself, and it holds all the capabilities of our program. In our scenario, it's going to manage the task of printing birthday messages. Okay, we have our press now. Next thing we need is an editor, someone who decides what to print, and someone who starts the printing process. By the way, this is a Java comment. It starts with double slashes and then you can write your comment. Think of it as a note to yourself, but it won't be executed as part of your program. It's quite helpful when you are reading someone's code. Let's breathe life into this editor. For that, I will write a method, public static void main string paths. Think of methods as the individual task our printing press performs. We have here a main method, which is the starting point in Java, and it's the first critical step to kick things off. Now we will add a print statement, which is like putting the first page onto the printing press so that it can start printing the messages. So let's wish April this time. I will write happy birthday, April. By the way, April, if you're watching this video and it's actually your birthday, girl, you're doing great. And so is all of you. Drop me a high five in the comment section below. There we have our press completed. If you notice, all this here is syntax. Every programming language has it. It's like a set of rules or instructions to execute the code. In Java, semicolons end statements and curly braces group tasks together. And that's it. Let's run our first Java program. I will click on this green triangle, run Crux Press, and here's the first message from your press. Amazing work. It's a small step, but an exciting one. When I started learning Java, I had no idea where to begin. I was curious, a little intimidated, and full of questions. But I stuck with it. And over time, those questions turned into skills and confidence. That's why I started this channel, to help you take those same first steps and make learning fun and approachable. So, what questions do you have? Drop them in the comments below or join our community to simply share or discuss. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Java adventures. See you in the next video.